Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to make a taco salad. Yes, in this household, we love anything that says taco. So today we're going to make a taco salad. Okay, so come on, come cook with me. Let's make a taco salad. Okay, guys, so the ingredients that we're going to use today is I'm going to use some ground beef. We're going to use some lettuce. I'm using the romaine lettuce. We need sour cream, taco sauce, tomatoes, red onions. We're going to use some salsa, some black beans, and I'm using a avocado. And you're going to need your taco sauce. Okay? So come on, come cook with me. Let me show you a closer look. Okay? Come cook with me. Okay, guys, so I'm just washing off some more lettuce because I need a little bit more, okay? And then we're gonna get started. All right? Okay, you guys, so here is a closer look at all the ingredients that we're gonna use. We need cheddar cheese, okay? And here's the ground beef that I'm using, okay? And then here is all the other ingredients, okay? This is all the ingredients that we're gonna use, okay? All right, and then we're gonna chop up this lettuce right here, okay? All right, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna chop up the lettuce, okay? You can buy the lettuce already chopped up if you want. I would have got that, but I wanted this today. And I'm gonna try to chop it up a little bit small, but not too small. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop all this lettuce up, you guys, and I'll be back, okay? Okay, guys, so that's it. We're all done with the lettuce, okay? So now we're gonna do the tomatoes, and I'm gonna do the onions, okay? Okay, guys, time for the tomatoes. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop them up and some dices. I'm gonna put dices in this, and my knife is not that sharp, you guys. I need to get a new knife. All right. Okay, guys, so that's the tomatoes, okay? So just dice up your tomatoes, whatever way you want them diced up. Doesn't matter to me. Okay, so next we're gonna do the onions, okay? So these are the tomatoes, okay? All right. Okay, and we're gonna use a red onion, okay? So I really don't need this much, so. Just gonna dice it up, okay? Just dice it up. Okay, the onions are done. Okay, you guys? So, you just put the onions in here. Yeah, this is gonna be a taco salad, you guys. Sometimes when I want a salad, I don't just want a ordinary salad. I like to spice it up a little bit. Do something different with my salads. And this taco salad is really delicious. That's the onions. Okay, so now we're gonna do the avocado, okay? So, if you want an avocado, you can. If you don't like avocados, you guys, you don't have to use it. But I love them. I can eat these every day. All day. Yeah, so just gonna do that like that. I'm just gonna, oops, sorry. Chop up this. Okay. And that's it. And I've got my black beans and I washed them already. So I just took the black beans out of the can, you guys, and I washed those. Okay? So that's the avocado. Okay? Okay, you guys, so here's everything we're going to use for our taco salad, okay? That's everything we're using so far. And next I'm going to use some salsa. So I just got this salsa right here, okay? So I'm going to open it and put it in a bowl. Okay? So that's my salsa. Okay? So now, you guys, we're going to go to the stove. You're going to grab your ground beef, okay? So we're going to put this to the side, all right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the ground beef, okay? Ground beef. And we're going to get the taco sauce, okay? And let's go to the stove and we're going to cook this, okay? Okay, you guys, so now we're at the stove. So we're going to cook the ground meat now, okay? So I'm just going to put just a tinge of oil in there, okay? And then we're going to get the ground beef, okay? Dump it in there. All right. If you want to use ground turkey, you can use ground turkey too. For those of you who like ground turkey and not ground beef, because I know my mom, my sister, they prefer the ground turkey. But I want some beef, honey. So I'm gonna open up the taco pack, okay? And this is the taco pack that I have, okay? And I like to put two packs in mine because I like that. I want to taste the taco, so I'm putting 2 packs in. One is Mal and one is original. So that's all you do, you guys. If you want to add extra black pepper like me, you can. Okay, you guys, so the ground beef is ready. And we already have the taco sauce on it, okay? So it's time to make our salad now, you guys. A delicious taco salad. Okay? It's ready. So I'm going to turn the stove off. And let's go make a taco salad. Okay? Okay, you guys. So we have all the ingredients ready, okay? And then we just got done with the taco meat. So now we're going to make the salad, okay? So let's make some room here. We're going to make some room, okay? All right. So make sure that you can see everything. And we're going to get started. All right? So let's start. All right, so first off, oops, Sorry, guys, just a minute. Made a mess. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna add the lettuce. Okay. All right, so you got your lettuce. Okay. Then you're gonna add some tomatoes. And I kind of like my tomatoes and lettuce together like that. Okay. All right. And then you could put some on the side. Come back to later. Okay. Like that. And then we're going to add some onions. Okay. You guys know I like a lot of colors, so I always try to put different colors with my food. All right. And we'll also put some to the side in case you want a little extra onions. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna get some black beans. Okay. I'll sprinkle those all over black beans, you guys. Okay. And then we're gonna put a little extra on the side. Keep with the program. Okay. Just like that. Okay. One more drop. All right. And then next, you guys, I'm gonna get my avocado. Okay. So sprinkle some of those like that. Okay. And then we're gonna put the extra ones on the side, okay? Everybody gotta fall in line. Okay, just like that. All right, next you guys, we're gonna add some cheese. Well, we'll put a little bit of cheese on top. Not too much. Until I put the meat on top, okay? And then I'm also gonna put some cheese right there. Okay. And put some on the other side. Make her nice and pretty. Okay, like that. All right, and then next, you guys, we're gonna get the meat. Okay, so hold on just 1 minute. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna add the ground beef. Okay, see, I got a little bowl of the ground beef, and it's still hot, so just gonna dump it on there. Oops. Okay, gonna put it just like that. I'm gonna make it look pretty. Okay, mash it down just a little bit. Okay, and then next we're gonna add some salsa. Let's put a little salsa on there. Like that. Presentation is everything when you're eating. Okay, so now we're gonna add some sour cream, you guys. All right, so let's get a scoop of sour cream, put it on top, okay? Just a little scoop. Don't she look nice? Okay, just like that. All right, and there you have it. You have a taco salad, you guys. All right, so this is the taco salad, you guys. And if you want to put some dressing on top of it, it's fine if that's the way you like it. But I just like mine just like this, you guys. I eat it just like this. Okay. taco salad. And there you have it, taco salad. And there you have it, taco salad. Don't that look delicious, you guys? So delicious. It's delicious. You got to try it. And if you're having a party or something for your kids, the kids would love this. You can have taco salad and tacos for a party. I know kids love tacos, so this would be a great party dish also, you guys. Taco salad. Okay? Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to check out my playlist. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye, you guys.